Have you ever wished there were a smarter way to say and make things better? That's exactly where the word meliorate shines. Meliorate means to improve something or make it better, especially when the improvement happens gradually over time. It's a powerful word often used in formal writing, education, and thoughtful conversations. The pronunciation of meliorate is
Me.
li, rate. It is a verb, which means it shows an action. When you meliorate a situation, you don't just change it, you improve its quality, condition, or value. For example, better policies can meliorate living conditions, and small habits can meliorate your daily routine. Let's look at some easy synonyms of meliorate. Improve, enhance, better, upgrade, refine. All these words suggest positive change. Now, a few antonyms, or opposite meanings. Worsen, damage, harm, degrade. These words describe making something worse instead of better. Here are some real-life example sentences to make it clear. New teaching methods helped meliorate student performance. Daily exercise can meliorate your physical and mental health. Honest communication can meliorate relationships over time. Imagine a city with traffic problems. Adding better roads, clear signs, and public transport can meliorate daily life for everyone. That's meliorate in action, steady, meaningful improvement. The beauty of the word meliorate lies in its hopeful tone. It reminds us that even difficult situations can change for the better with effort and time. So the next time you want to sound more precise than just saying improve, remember meliorate. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep thriving with Thesaurus Thrive.